Solving these extraordinary 1x2x3 Rubik's Cube is easier than you might think. Provided, of course, that you know the following trick. The first step is to focus on the bottom. This consists, logically, of 2 stones. No special knowledge or skills are required to solve these. Here you simply turn the opposite side in the correct color. This means that the top and bottom are automatically screwed in correctly. There are now 2 different cases that can occur. Here we have a couple in the middle. Get this pair. Turn it around once, and the Rubik's Cube is solved. However, if the case should arise that the middle row does not result in a pair, so there is a very simple algorithm for this. Right side. Top page. Right side. Top page. Right side. Top side. And the Rubik's Cube is solved. If you like this video, please leave a thumb up and feel free to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.